Some days you want something cozy, but not heavy. This creamy white bean and spinach soup gives you comfort without weighing you down. Simple ingredients, big flavor, and no blender needed. Here's what you'll need: white beans, fresh spinach, onion, garlic, vegetable broth, coconut milk, thyme, salt, and black pepper. This one is all about balance. Start with olive oil, diced onion, and garlic. Let the onion soften and turn slightly translucent. That's where the flavor starts. Add the white beans, vegetable broth, thyme, salt, and black pepper. Let it simmer gently so everything comes together. Now stir in the coconut milk. See how it brings everything together? Add the spinach last so it stays bright. This is what I call light comfort. Creamy, but still clean. For the full recipe, check out the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.